Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description, and remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a look at SNCF Connect, found at https://www.sncf-connect.com. This website serves as a comprehensive portal for planning and booking train travel throughout France, and even extends to some international destinations. Navigating the site, you'll find a clean and modern interface designed to streamline the often complex process of booking train tickets. The homepage usually features prominent search bars allowing you to quickly input your departure and arrival stations, along with your desired travel dates. You can often find special offers and deals advertised directly on the homepage, too, which can be a great way to save money on your next trip. Once you've input your travel information, SNCF Connect presents you with a range of journey options, often with varying prices and travel times. You can easily compare different routes, train types, such as TGV or Intercities, and classes of service, first or second class. The website typically displays detailed information about each journey, including the number of changes required, platform information, where available, and any onboard amenities offered. Beyond simply booking tickets, SNCF Connect offers a wealth of additional features. You can manage your existing bookings, view real-time train schedules, and track the progress of your journey. It's also often possible to add options like seat reservations or bicycle transport to your booking. Depending on the specific route and train, you may also be able to select your preferred seat location directly on a virtual train carriage map. Furthermore, the site usually provides information about station facilities and services, which can be helpful when planning your trip. Finally, you'll likely encounter integrated features linking to other travel services, allowing you to potentially book connecting transportation or accommodation. SNCF Connect strives to be a one-stop shop for all your rail travel needs in France.